Do you want to prevent your iPhone ending calls whenever you press the lock button? So if you're having phone calls regularly, but you accidentally press the lock button and you end your calls, then follow my steps if you want to learn how to prevent that. This option is available if you're running iOS 16 or newer, so if you don't have this version of iOS on your device, then this won't work for you. You want to update your iPhone to iOS 16 or 17 at least, and then we'll hop over to our iPhone settings. Once we open our settings, we will scroll a little bit down until we find this accessibility option. Once this is opened, we will find the Touch option that's right under the Physical and Motor section. This page will open where we can see a couple of different settings that we can customize for our iPhone, but you want to scroll a little bit down until you can see this Prevent Lock to End Call. You want to make sure that this option is enabled or turned on. Once you turn this option on, then your iPhone won't end the call when you press your lock or side button. And once again, if you don't see this option in the accessibility settings, that's probably because you don't have iOS 16 or 17 installed. Apple introduced this feature with iOS 16, so just update your phone and you will be able to see this option. That's how you can disable the side lock button from ending calls. If you need more iPhone tutorial videos similar to this one, I have an iPhone playlist in the description of this video, so make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.